What is going on, guys? So I am on a tire change call for a 2023 black Audi A5. I think the Audi A5 is a regular vehicle, and what was it? They have one of those little caps on their rims. So we're gonna go ahead and get to this customer and let's see what we got. Hello. That's the tire right there.
Yeah, but I was wondering if I could have the spare in the back instead of the front.
The spare in the back instead of the front?
Yeah,
yeah, I could definitely do that, yeah. Let me go ahead and get some pictures real quick. See if I can get some pictures. Insurance company wants all this stuff. And if I can get a signature. Alright. It didn't work. There you go. There you go. Alright, let's see here. Yeah, it's one of those things. Oh, gotta love it. So you want the spare in the back, but you want this in the front. Alright, gotcha. Get off me. Gotta clean out my car. You could turn your hazards off. That way you save the battery. I see one of my buddies is actually parked over here. Warner Robins PD. Alright. Let's see how I'm gonna do this. Alright, let me get this high enough. He wants the spare in the back. That's gonna bend. That's gonna bind. Try my best. Alright. Ow. Here, let me test the tire pressure on this thing real quick. Because sometimes the tire pressure is not 100%. So, where is my tire pressure? There it is. Perfect. Alright. Alright. Is there a center way? No, there isn't. Only 2 points. Oh, gotta love Audis. I don't want to hurt your car. Put this here to reduce damage. If I can. If I can. There you go. Perfect. Perfect right there. You got your parking brake set?
Yeah.
Okay. Okay. That one don't have caps. This one does have caps. Alright. Oops. And here's the caps for that one. Yep. And they are 19s. Oh wow, wow. Oh wow, they tighten those things up. Shoot. Let me see what these look like real quick. Yeah, this is gonna be tricky. Alright. Oh, God. Need to get a new socket. Oh, get out of there. Perfect. Don't do that. Yeah. I knew that tool was going to happen. Wait. Hold on. Where's my brake bar? Gotta love it when a tool breaks, right? Whew, they are tight. Nope. There we go. I'll start with the spare. Stay here.
This is the second time in like a few months.
Oh, really?
And then each time, like the tire has to be replaced.
Yeah.
luckily I have like a tire protection, but then I have to go to the dealer, and the closest dealer is in Atlanta.
Oh yeah, yeah, that's Audi for you. Yeah. 'Cause I had a good close friend that owned an Audi, and he had to sit there and go all the way to Atlanta for any kind of reason, like it might be like ABS or anything going on with the vehicle. Alright, that's good to go. These are actually coming out quicker than I thought. Oh, wow. You got a good one in that tire. Wow.
And it was the same time the other time around was something like big like that.
Dang. Wow. That is massive. That is wow. Never seen that before.
And this is like a stone. Like, what are the chances that it's like
Right upright and everything, right into your tire? Yeah. I mean, wow. It did pretty good damage on that tire. Shoot. Well, let me get you up on the road. This is gonna be tricky. Stay. Cool. Alright, let me go ahead and get you lowered down and you're good to go. I don't need this open anymore. I don't need that. I gotta start reorganizing a little bit. No, a little bit more. Alright. Let me put this up. Alright. And you are good to go. What was that? Oh, put those on? Yeah, I can do that. Turn that on. Alright. And they are on there. Alright, well, you have a good night.
Thank you.
You're welcome. Alright, so that customer is pretty good. Oh, looks like my buddy already left. I didn't realize it. But I got him back up on the road. Let me go ahead and turn my pump off. But I got him back up on the road. He's happy. He's good to go. He requested to have the spare tire in the back. I'm gonna do it. Dang it, I hate it. I hate having a messed up finger. But he's good to go. I'm gonna go ahead and get to the shop, get some more rest because I barely had any rest. And as always, thank you guys for watching. Please leave a like, subscribe. If you haven't, share my videos. If you're a huge supporter, comment down below of your thoughts, suggestions, concerns, opinions. And as always, y'all have a great day, and God bless.